Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pho at home easy. Start by roasting bones and toasting spices, then simmer gently in cold water for at least 3 hours for depth. Skim impurities often to keep the broth clear. Add charred onion and ginger for aroma and strain before seasoning. Keep toppings ready: thinly sliced beef, rice noodles, fresh herbs, lime, and bean sprouts, and enjoy a comforting bowl at home. Use whole spices like star anise, cloves, cinnamon, and coriander toasted briefly to release oils. Simmer bones with onion and ginger for a pure, flavorful broth. Add fish sauce and a touch of rock sugar to balance savory and sweet notes. Control salt late after reducing the broth. Strain solids and keep broth hot while you prepare noodles and meat so assembly is quick and fresh for restaurant-quality results. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot is a compact smart speaker that brings music, timers, and voice help to your cooking routine, making hands-free control a joy. It pairs easily with phones and smart home devices for simple, useful kitchen control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a little soundtrack while you simmer. Now let's get back to the video. Cook rice noodles until just tender, then rinse with cold water to stop cooking. Slice raw beef paper thin so it cooks in hot broth when poured over. Arrange herbs, lime wedges, bean sprouts, sliced chili, and hoisin at the table for customization. Heat bowls with hot water before ladling broth to keep everything warm. Serve immediately so noodles stay firm and meat reaches a safe temperature, and enjoy the aroma as you eat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.